How to fix Xbox not finding mic, aka, Xbox One mic not working. Here's some tips that help fix Xbox not finding mic. 1. Reassociate your controller with your profile, Xbox One home sign in, choose this person. 2. Check the privacy and online safety option under your Xbox profile, set to your own friends or everybody for communicate with voice and text. 3. Save your game, turn off your Xbox, remove the power cable and reboot it later, 5 to 8 minutes. 4. Try using your headphone on another device. Afterwards, examine and clean your Xbox hardware. Check if your headset is properly connected to your controller. Check whether your headset has been muted or not. Check all your devices and cables. 5. Set energy saving for power under power and start up. 6. Try using the Windows Sonic option, settings all settings display and sound tab audio output. 7. Check whether your headset is in the right condition or not. 8. Check out your game sound. 8. Check the battery of your controller. 9. Disable virtual surround in speakers properties. 10. Remove your headset and plug it back firmly, later. 11. Increase the audio under device and accessories. 12. Update your Xbox. Then try to sync your Xbox app and your console. Close the Xbox app and go to your console to perform the steps below on your console. While the console is on, press and hold the console's Xbox button for 5 seconds. The console will power down. Disconnect all accessories, such as USB flash drive and cables on the back of your console, including the power cable from your power supply unit. Also make sure the power supply unit is not connected to any power surge protector. Wait 2 to 3 minutes or until power light is off, reconnect all cables and then turn your console back on by again pressing the Xbox button. Once console is back on, here's the next steps. Clear persistent storage on Xbox One, settings disk and Blu-ray, clear persistent storage. Clear MAC address, settings network, advanced settings, MAC address, clear alternate MAC address, restart console when prompted. Make sure the following are enabled. Allow a smart glass connection by selecting from any smart glass device. Credit, WikiHow. Select the allow game streaming to other devices, beta, option. Run a test. Go to settings, network, check NAT type, test network connection and multiplayer connection. Note, NAT should be open, not moderate, or strict. 13. Verify the NAT type for your network, http://bit.ly/2wd795m. 14. Test your Xbox One chat headset using the Start a Party under Party. 15. Try the Xbox One multiplayer game solution at http://bit.ly/2was34. 16. Make the best of the Skype test call under the Skype app. 17. Try using a 3mm headset and set 2-channel, 16-bit, 48 kHz, DVD quality for microphone properties. Start a party by yourself. Test your voice. Tweak my settings by adding low frequency protection and volume equalization, optionally. 18. Repair or replace your device. 14.